In this lesson, we'll learn about how to open multiple workbooks within a folder. You may find this useful if you require data from other workbooks that are currently not located within the workbook you're working in. Instead of having to open them all up and find the data manually, it is possible to use VBA in order to automatically perform these tasks for you. Learning how to do this will also allow you to remove the need to manually search other workbooks for data and automate this task, as it will save you even more time. If we think about hierarchy, we remember that the application Excel stood at the top. We'll be using application level commands in order to access the workbooks outside of the Excel environment. Looking at the second block of code, we are using application level commands. The first two are screen updating and enable events. These methods are utilized in order to save processing time, as well as to save us from unnecessary actions. In this case, we are only opening Excel. Therefore, there's no need to worry about screen updating and enable events. If we're enacting larger scale multiple changes upon multiple workbooks, we would want to turn these off. We are only opening workbooks in this case and not doing any processing. We are not saving any time here. Moving on, start with the next application level commands, the file dialog picker. This tool brings out the select file window that you're familiar with, the same as if you clicked the open file button. However, we are altering it slightly as we want to select a folder, not individual files. Using a with statement, we manipulate the file window object accordingly, change the title, and disallow multiple selections. Once we have defined our path, which is connected to our selected items, we then define the extension type we are looking for, and then stitch together the two using dir. Doing this creates the type of file and where to look, which results in selecting all the file types within the folder. We then create a do while loop, which in this case executes the loop as long as the variable myFile still has files to open. We set a workbook as an opened workbook, telling it which file to open, execute the events with the do events, and move to the next file within our myFile variable as split up within our dir function. The loop then continues until we have run out of files to open within the folder we have selected. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.